In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Reddit community. To get started, head over to Reddit in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Reddit interface, take a moment to look at the left-hand panel because that's where you'll find the option you need to begin creating your new community. On the left side, click Start Community. This will open the community setup process and guide you through the basic choices Reddit needs before your community goes live. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure the side panel is expanded and that you're viewing the desktop layout, since the placement can vary slightly depending on the device you're using. Next, you'll be asked to choose a topic. This step is important because it helps Reddit understand what your community is about and makes it easier for the right people to discover it. Pick the topic that best matches the focus of your community. Try to be as accurate as possible here, since good topic selection can improve visibility and help attract members who are genuinely interested in your content. After choosing the topic, click Next to continue. Reddit may then show you another setup screen, and from there, simply click Next again. These early setup screens are usually meant to help organize your community and guide you through the creation flow, so just follow the prompts as they appear. You'll then arrive at the section where you need to enter your community name and description. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Your community name should be clear, relevant, and easy to remember, since it becomes the identity of your subreddit. The description should briefly explain what the community is for, what kind of posts belong there, and what members can expect. Keep it simple, but make sure it gives enough detail so new visitors immediately understand the purpose of the space. Once you've filled in the community name and description, review everything quickly to make sure it looks right. If the name is available and the details match what you want, go ahead and click Create Community. That's it. Your Reddit community will now be created. From there, you can continue customizing it, adding rules, updating visuals, and preparing it for your first members and the posts. If you want the best results, take a little extra time after creation to make the community look welcoming and organized. A strong name, a clear description, and a well-defined topic can make a big difference in helping your community grow.